In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make 200 Firefly particles in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. Start by opening Minecraft Java Edition on your computer. From the main menu, either create a new world or open a world that you already use. Before you load into the game, make sure cheats are enabled for that world. This is important because the particle command will not work without cheats turned on. If you are creating a new world, you can enable cheats in the world settings before entering the game. If you are using an existing world, confirm that commands are available before you continue. Once your world finishes loading and you are standing in the game, get ready to enter the particle command. The command will create a group of Firefly particles around your character. To do that, press the T key on your keyboard. This opens the in-game chat window, which is where commands are entered in Minecraft Java Edition. After the chat box appears, type this command exactly as shown. /particle Minecraft Firefly tilde, approximately 1 tilde 1 1 1 0 200. Force. Take a moment to check that the command is written correctly. The particle name, spacing, and numbers all matter. The Minecraft Firefly part tells the game which particle effect to generate. The tildes use your current position as the center point. The value approximately 1 places the particles slightly above your current location, which makes the effect easier to see. The 3 1 values define the area around that point where the particles can appear. The 0 controls the speed setting for the effect. The 200 tells the game to spawn 200 particles. The word force makes the particles visible from farther away and ensures the effect appears properly. When the full command is entered, press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Minecraft will spawn 200 Firefly particles around you in the world. You should see the effect appear immediately near your player position. If nothing happens, check 2 things first. Make sure cheats are enabled in the world, and make sure the command was typed exactly as shown. Even a small typing mistake can stop the command from working. Once the command runs successfully, you are done. You can repeat it anytime you want to create the same particle effect again in your world, and that is all there is to it.